we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi, this is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and for today's video, before I get infected with corona, we go to the Jeddah waterfront in nighttime to take some time-lapse video, and also we will talk about our experience in this 2 years time in the pandemic, the difference of our experience in Ramadan from prosperity.
Side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So from 2 years of experiencing the Ramadan, we have a lot of prosperity, and it is very different from these 2 years come because also the restriction of the people, especially in social distancing, so that the corona will not spread. But also there is some kind of generosity you still experience in this season. That's why our experience in the waterfront of taking videos of the sunset give us also a hope that there is still some kind of future, that it will restore again the kind of prosperity that is happening in Saudi Arabia. In previous years, back to year 2019, before iftar or afternoon time, you go to many places like traffic lights or in the street, many of the people, they are giving iftar or some kind of dates or small snacks for the Ramadan. And also almost of the mosque, you can go to get your food to eat. From the last year 2020 and this year 2021 Ramadan, we don't experience such things that one of the reason and good thing that there is restriction of giving items or have an iftar in the mosque is to avoid crowd and to implement social distancing to prevent the spreading of coronavirus. Also in this video, we will go to the 3-kilometer bike lane in nighttime to have relaxation in that area. thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoy it and you have a great experience or knowledge here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and you can help to grow our channel by subscribing and also clicking the like button and the notification bell so that you have always updated with our new video coming.
I was wandering around town in a city of gold when I was struck by luck 'cause I found you sitting all alone, looking down your phone like a restless soul. The wind that stroked your hair left your scent in the air, and the sun was almost acting as a spotlight just for you, making flowers bloom. Days are made for you.
So it's already here in the waterfront, and we are now finding the right spot to take the time-lapse video in this place.
You and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see. You looked away before I could say that all I want is you and to be near. Standing where you are, I'll give you my heart, peace when we're apart. But then he walked by, you see he walked by and started to smile.
Upon waiting for my video to finish in time lapse, so I used to see the beachfront and just only relaxing and seeing around. And I didn't notice one family in my side. They are getting prepared for their iftar, and the father took one laban and one vidz. And I didn't realize that I have, or I can have that time, this kind again of a gift that it is usually experienced before this pandemic time industry. So I feel very grateful, and also I have hope that in the future there will be returning of that kind of generosity in all the people, not only in Saudi Arabia but also in the Muslims. So thank you, sir, for your generosity, for giving me such kind of the laban and the dates.
I'm wondering how many men that you trapped and dumped in the ocean. I wish that I could understand why I had this stupid crush. The girl next door was over there being perfect, getting the roses. I bet that you don't even care if my body drifts ashore. But if you ask me, I'm pretty sure that I'll come running. Though I should say, no, 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 no.
Now the time is 8 o'clock in the evening, and there is still not too much crowd because many people still eating their iftar.
If I just think twice, I never would have had this feeling. I should have said.
So thank you once again for joining us in this video, and we hope the next Ramadan season will be more prosperous than the previous one. And all for all the bikers, ride safe for all of us. Thank you.
I'm half the man